here are some messages. Atul, he is from Haryana, and Suvan Singh from Himachal Pradesh, and Vijay Sharma, he is from UK. They have asked the same question: how to solve this mechanical branch. Integration x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x square, x y dx dy. Then I is equal to which one of this? A is equal to y is equal to 0 to 1, and integration x is equal to square root of y to 1, y x square dx dy. And other option B is equal to y0 is equal to 1, y0 is equal to 0 to 1, integration x is equal to square root of y to 1, x y square dx dy. C, y is equal to 0 to 1, and x is equal to 0 to square root of y, x y square dx dy. And integration of y is equal to 0 to 1, and integration of x is equal to 0 to square root of y, y x square dx dy. Which one is the correct answer? That is the change of order. Don't think about this at first. This is the function. He is asking, you have to change this order, not this. So the function, it will be remain same. You can write here sin x y, ex, e to the power x, e to the power xy, anything. Don't think about it. Number second, what is this? Your x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. This is your x axis and y axis. That is the center. So this is the x axis, this is the y axis. At x axis y is equal to 0. At y axis x is equal to 0. And this is the first condition. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. This is x is equal to 0, and this is x is equal to 1. That is x is equal to 1. Okay, we have draw. Now second, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 0. That is the line for y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x square. That is the graph of x square. Y is equal to x square. Okay, so y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. Y is equal to 0 from this to this, and second one from this to this. This is your first one. You are counting total number of points from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. Then you are counting total number of points y is equal to 0 to y is equal to this graph x square. So it means that is your area. The overlap, that is your area. From x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. From y is equal to 0 to this. So that is your area. You have to find. Here you do not have to calculate. You have to check. If you will change the order, then what will happen? So at first we have taken x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x square. Now you will change the order. You can also take y is equal to 0 to this. Okay. Here you can also draw something. You can draw something here also. Or you can write, you have y is equal to x square. And if you put x is equal to 1, if you put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1. So it means that your line, this is y is equal to 1. Okay. So that is your first condition, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. And second condition, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x square. Now, I am taking y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. I am not taking y is equal to 0 to this. I am taking y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. Now, okay, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. Now, what is the condition for x? This portion we have selected. Okay, now we have to select this portion. So, we have to find this area. We have to find this area. You must remember. At first we have counted total number of points from here to here. From y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. Now we will count total number of points from here to here. Then our portion it will come. So the next one, you have to go from here to here. X is equal to square root of y to, what is this? X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Very simple. And the remaining function is same, x y square dx dy. Okay, that order is no need. You can write dx dy, dy dx, both are same. don't confuse here. And also if the function they have written x y square x, that is also same. So but if we change the order, then the answer it will be also different. So that is your correct answer. I think that you understand how to find the value whenever you are getting such type of problem. So now check which one is the correct answer. Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, x is equal to square root of y. Yeah, this one. X is equal to square root of y to x is equal to 1 and xy square. This is your correct answer. Maybe next time in future they will ask what is the value, how to evaluate. Okay, that is also very simple. Okay, so at first I have written here x is equal to square root of y. It means that we have to save y. So this y it will be put in your pocket. Okay, because you will put x is equal to square root of y and x is equal to 1. X is equal to square root of y. After calculation you will get the function of y. Okay, it means that at last you have to integrate with respect to y. So that dy you have to put in your pocket and you have to integrate with respect to x. Now integrate with respect to x. So it means that when you are integrating, then your y, if you put y in your pocket, then your y it will be treated as constant. Okay, so in this condition this is constant, so it will come here. Your integration y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, y square integration of x is equal to square root of y, x is equal to 1, and this is x, and your dx it is here and dy it is here. Very simple. Okay, so now you have to integrate x with respect to x. So that is x square. This is x square upon 2, and you have to put x is equal to square root of y to x is equal to 1. So at first x is equal to 1, then square root of y. Then your answer, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, y square. Your answer it will be x is equal to 1 means 1 upon 2 minus square root of y whole square is equal to y upon 2. Y upon 2. So this is your answer. Okay. Now you have to integrate with respect to y. So I will rough it. Already we have solved. Okay. So now 2 you can take outside, 1 upon 2. Then your integration y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. This is y square 1 minus y and dy. Now you can integrate. Multiply y square minus y cube. Integration of y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1 upon 2 and dy. Y to the power square is equal to y to the power 3. Y to the power 3 upon 3, and this is minus y to the power 4 upon 4, and this is 0 to 1 and this is 1 upon 2 constant. So now at first put 1, then put 0. 0 is 0, 1. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 4 3 is 12. 12 is 24. 1 upon 24 your answer. I think that you understand. That is high school. 4 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 4 3 is 12. 12 is 24. 1 upon 24 is the correct answer. If in future they will same question they will ask, but they will ask you find the result after calculation. Okay, I think that you understand how to solve such type of problem. You asked me this question, but we have solved once another question. Okay, so we have solved many questions. You must note it. Maxima minima also we have solved, no problem. Atul, please, I think that you must go. That is 8-hour lecture, non-stop 8-hour lecture. Okay, you must go. In the previous question, that is the question number 38, we have solved the maximum minima problem. Okay, So you must go. Already we have uploaded such type of problems in channel. That name is Albert Joshi. You must go there. There are more than 600, more than 10,000 problems we have solved. Okay, so go there. So total number of 38 questions we have solved. Again, that is the session for the mechanical branch. Okay, again we will solve some questions for the symmetric and skew-symmetrics. Okay, we will discuss about the symmetric, what is the symmetric and what is the skew-symmetric matrix. This question it has come in your GATE exam.